Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at tag questions. We use a tag question at the end of a sentence when we want to check information or ask someone to agree with us. The rule is quite simple. If the sentence is positive, the tag is usually negative, like for example, when I say, "You're tired, aren't you?" She speaks English, doesn't she? But if the sentence is negative, the tag is positive, like when I say, "You aren't tired, are you?" He doesn't live here, does he? The auxiliary verb in the tag usually matches the verb in the sentence. For example, like when I say, "They can swim, can't they?" She's coming tomorrow, isn't she? You've finished, haven't you? And always try to remember that the pronoun changes to match the subject too. For example, when I say, "Susan is English, isn't she?" Not, "Susan is English, isn't Susan?" So, try to remember. When we use a positive sentence, we use a negative tag question and vice versa. If we use a negative sentence, we have to use a positive tag question. Easy, isn't it? Tag questions are very common in everyday English, so try to start using them in your conversations. I think you're ready to try them right now, aren't you? Did you guess where I was yesterday? If not, watch the next image. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!
Speak English with Sue.